Ready in 30 minutes, this curry is easy to prepare and packed full of flavour. Vegetarians and meat eaters alike will love this rich and moreish chickpea and sweet potato curry. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. This chickpea and sweet potato curry is a lightly spiced and fragrant, creamy curry that's packed full of flavour. It's got chickpeas, it's got tender sweet potato and fresh spinach, all cooked up in a creamy coconut curry sauce. We start by heating 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large pan over a medium to high heat. Add a large diced onion and cook for 5 minutes, stirring often until softened. Now we add in 2 cloves of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of minced ginger, 2 tablespoons of mild curry powder, a tablespoon of ground coriander, half a tablespoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of cinnamon and half a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Stir together and cook for a further minute. Now add in 2 medium sweet potatoes that have been chopped into small chunks, 1 400 gram or 14 ounce tin of chickpeas that have been drained, 2 400 gram or 14 ounce tins of chopped tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree or tomato paste, and 1 400 gram or 14 ounce tin of full fat coconut milk. Now we're going to bring that sweet potato to a gentle bubble and then let it simmer for about 20 minutes, stirring it occasionally until that sweet potato is softened. After 20 minutes, give one of those sweet potatoes a little taste test just to ensure that it's nice and soft. If it's still a bit too firm, then you can cook the curry for another 5 to 6 minutes. And if the sauce is starting to look a little bit thick, just add in a splash of water or a little bit of veggie stock. Once that's cooked and the sweet potato is nice and tender, add in 60 grams or 2 packed cups of fresh baby spinach. Stir in the spinach, which should wilt quickly, and then turn off the heat. Served with boiled rice, topped with fresh coriander and sliced red onion. And that's my vegetarian chickpea and sweet potato curry. Mild enough for the kids to enjoy, but it still packs a real flavour punch. And you can always sprinkle with a few chilli flakes if you want it a little bit spicier. Hope you enjoyed that recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did, and make sure that you hit that bell to be notified of new recipes. See you next time.